Hello, welcome back to Universal of Technology TV. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what to do when this light is flashing on car's dashboard. So remember to make subscribe for more useful content related to car tips, maintenance and car advices. Thank you. This is glow plug light, and it is only in diesel cars or diesel engine equipped cars. You can't find it in petrol cars. When it flashes during cold starting, no action is required. It's normal to flash during cold starting. After engine reaches to normal operating temperature, this light has to disappear. It's serious problem if this light stays. After engine preheating or when your car is running, what to do if this light is constantly flashes after vehicle engine reaches to its normal operating temperature or when driving. Here are some causes which might be the sources of that issue. Possible causes of glow plug warning lights to trigger 1. Burn out of glow plugs. Burnt out glow plug triggers the glow plug light because the engine control unit ECU detects the failed plug's inability to heat the engine cylinder, signaling a system fault to the driver. When a glow plug fails, it cannot provide the necessary heat for proper cold engine starting, and the ECU registers this malfunction, illuminating the light to prompt inspection and repair. 2. Corroded wiring or electrical faults. This is big problem. You have to make sure that are all in good conditions. 3. Fault glow plug control module. Fault in the glow plug control module triggers the glow plug light when the module itself or its associated wiring experiences an internal fault, such as poor connections, a short circuit, or damage. This malfunction prevents the module from properly powering the glow plugs, causing the engine control unit ECU to detect an issue and illuminate the warning light to alert the driver. Another common problem is fault diesel particulates filter. How a DPF issue can trigger the glow plug light. Clogged DPF. When the DPF is clogged with soot, the car's engine control unit ECU may illuminate the glow plug light as a general warning for a powertrain malfunction or emission control issue. Faulty DPF sensor. A malfunctioning DPF pressure or temperature sensor can provide incorrect readings, making the system believe the filter is more clogged than it is, which can also trigger a fault code and the glow plug light. Malfunctioning fuel diesel injection system is big problem. Faulty diesel fuel injection system can cause a flashing glow plug light by affecting engine power and causing misfires, which the engine's control unit ECU interprets as a glow plug system fault. Problems like a clogged fuel filter, a blocked fuel injector, or a failing high-pressure fuel pump can lead to poor fuel delivery, resulting in engine issues and triggering the glow plug warning light. Other potential causes include a faulty glow plug relay, a malfunctioning control module, or damaged wiring.